instances of child murder. The state BJP on Tuesday observed the Good Governance Day at the party headquarters in Shillong. The day is observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Senior BJP leader and Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek reminded that it was through Atal Bihari Vajpayee the two ministries were created for the Northeast, the Tribal Ministry and the Donor Ministry. He further said that the BJP's endeavour is to reach out to the grassroots through the central schemes, especially in areas of health, education and tourism.
The program of the good governance in memory of the birthday of our late Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who was the great soul, great human being and also was a statesman of our country. He's a statesman of our country. So the program was very successful.